ಕದಂಬ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ. ಕದಂಬ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ.
Now, there is a big announcement, and it is our school's achievement. There is an organization, FAP, Private Schools Associations, and every year they are declaring the prizes for the best school. And this year, our Kadamba International School got a Best School Award for Academic Excellence. Now, I request our chairman sir to hand over the award for the principal sir. Give a huge round of applause. Next we have one more category. This year it was a very special for us because our school won one more award. Our next award is the Best School Award for Excellence in Sports Field also. I request our chairman sir to hand over the trophies and certificate to Department of Physical Education.